Hello and welcome back to 12 Days of DIY, Day 8. Starting off by accordion folding some construction paper. I'm using a ruler here to keep my folds as straight as possible because if I did it freehanded, it would definitely be wonky in the end. Once I'm done, I fold the entire thing in half and cut at the halfway mark. And while the two halves are side by side, I fold down the top end about a third of the way and hot glue that into place. Adding more hot glue to the very center and some jute cord that I looped and tied into a knot to hang it from. Then stringing the looped end of the jute cord through a wood bead, and our paper angels are all done. To the next project, taking a sheet of bristle board and folding at one corner to round off the bottom edge. Once I have my cone shape in place, I then overlap and hot glue the two seams together, then cutting off the excess at the bottom, finally gluing the end of some jute cord at the very top of our cone shape and spiraling it around all the way down to the bottom, periodically hot gluing in between. And here we have a super easy jute wrapped cone tree. For this final DIY, we are starting by cutting off a piece of floral wire, then twisting one of the ends in to seal it off. Then alternating the color of beads I'm adding to the other ends, and once I'm done adding the beads, I then cut and curl in the other end. Bend it into a candy cane shape, and here we have some little beaded candy cane ornaments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you